In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about trading on the HankoX iOS mobile app, which is very easy to use. Once you go to your Hanko trading account, you can notice that you have the HankoX iOS. All you have to do is click that, and it's going to bring you up to the App Store where you can download Act Trader. Now, once you go ahead and download Act Trader and log into your HankoX live or demo account, you can start trading immediately. In order to go ahead and see your balance and see all of your results, you can click the menu in the top left. And as you guys can see here, we have the equity, the realized profit, the unrealized profit, the balance, the free margin, and the use margin. Now, getting trading is very simple utilizing this app. And as you guys can see here, the buttons are very straightforward. We have one-click trading, alerts, insights, and portfolio. And then at the bottom of the actual app, you see dashboard, markets, portfolio, and buzz. And in order to go ahead and get trading, you can either click one-click trade or you can click markets. And as you guys can see here, this is the one-click trading. Now, all we would have to do if we wanted to go ahead and start trading any of these assets is come here and adjust our lot size. For this tutorial, we're gonna put a 0.02, and all we have to do is click buy, and our order has been placed. And as you guys can see here, our trades and our positions will be logged right here in this portfolio section. You can also see your orders that you have as far as limits or buy stops, and then you can also see your history right here. Now, in order to go ahead and close your trade, you can either click this X button right here, or you can click the actual individual trade, and it's gonna bring you to an area right here where you can also edit your stop loss and your trailing stop and your take profit, or you can also partially close. In this example, we're just gonna go ahead and click close position, yes. And as you guys can see here, our position has been closed and we have now been notified in Act Trader. If you want to go ahead and start trading and actually add assets or search for different assets, all you have to do is go to your markets at the bottom of the actual app itself. And as you guys can see here, it's gonna bring you to this screen right here. And there's a few ways that you can play with this to start trading. You can toggle this button right here, and it's gonna show you all of the assets that you can trade. You can also search for assets that you wanna go ahead and add. I'll go ahead and add Litecoin for this tutorial. And as you guys can see here, if we go back and we scroll all the way to the bottom, Litecoin will be added. Now, let's say we wanted to go ahead and click Litecoin and start trading. We can actually click it, and you can see the chart is open up right here. And then at the bottom of the screen, you can see right here your lot size, your stop loss, your take profit. You also have limit orders and buy and sell stops. Very simple. Trading with Hanko is very simple. I suggest you guys all sign up today and make money.